Yo, see what's up with this cat, man? This cat been through hell, man. Yo, guys, this cat just randomly appeared. It looks like it's been through, like, look, its fur is all dirty. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, like stuff on his tail and whatnot. He's just walking around, walking back and forth. He hasn't ran from me yet, and I keep following him. Not to like, I'm just curious. What happened? Y'all see what happened to this cat? Every time I call his name, it keeps coming back. Dog, bruh. I think it thinks the camera is food. Is it like shaking, twitching? Dog. I don't know about that. Yo, this crazy, dog. Yo, I feel bad for this cat. I don't know what to do. Look like it is. Look at his feet. Look at the tail. I don't know what happened, man. Did it survive something? I've never been this close to a cat before. Dog. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't really know what to do. I really don't know what to do. I'm gonna leave him alone. But I don't know what to do. This cat might have some mental illness or something. I don't really know, man. It's unfortunate. It's kind of crazy. I don't even know. I've never been this close before without having to like pet it first, and it keeps walking into me. Damn, this is not even new. It's like a litany of, you know, stray cats be running around here in my backyard. I've never seen one that looked like this before. He been through hell. I'm gonna leave him alone. Look at that. Look at him. Been through hell. He keeps twitching. He keeps doing that. He keeps twitching like his neck keeps twitching. His neck keeps twitching. Yo. I'm gonna leave him alone. These poor cats out here, bro.